AI.
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 But it's not hardware that has white-collar workers concerned. It's rapidly
Have you ever found yourself wondering how to stay ahead in the AI revolution? Are you eager to acquire the essential skills not only to survive, but to thrive in this ever-changing world? Look no further. In this video, we will unveil the top 9 AI skills you must acquire right now to outpace 97% of your peers. These are the vital non-technical proficiencies that will empower you to maximize AI opportunities across various professions and industries. Make sure to stay tuned until the end because we've saved the best for last. 1. Becoming an expert in prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is like being a master of questions for AI. It's all about asking the AI the right things so that it gives you the answers you want. Imagine AI as a magical genie in a bottle. If you don't ask the genie the right question, you might not get what you want. By getting good at prompt engineering, you can talk to AI more effectively. It's like using your creativity, logic, and understanding of human language to get the best results. For example, think of a content writer trying to write a blog about dating apps. Instead of just saying, write a blog about dating apps, they could be more specific and say, you're an expert relationship coach. Write a blog about the top 5 benefits of dating apps for men. This way, the AI can give you content that's more focused and appealing to your target audience. 2. Creating a unique personal brand with AI in today's world. Personal branding is like creating your own unique identity. It's about showing people who you are, what you stand for, and what you bring to the table. Now imagine using AI to make every part of your personal brand even better. Think of your personal brand like a puzzle with lots of pieces. AI can help make each piece of your puzzle more colorful and interesting. You can use AI to make cool logos for your brand, write engaging articles or social media posts, and even have virtual assistants to help you manage your online presence. This is super useful for freelancers, business owners, and anyone who wants to stand out in the digital world. 3. Telling stories with data and pictures. Data storytelling and visualization might sound complicated, but it's all about turning boring numbers into exciting stories and pictures. With AI, you can make your data come to life and help people understand it better. This is important because AI can process tons of data, and humans need help making sense of it. For example, a nonprofit trying to solve water problems could use data storytelling to show how bad the water situation is in different places. They could make an interactive map or cool pictures to explain it. Or think about a product manager who needs to show data to their team. Instead of just showing a bunch of charts and graphs, they could use data storytelling to tell a clear and interesting story about the data. 4. Thinking creatively with AI. Creative AI thinking is like having a superpower for coming up with new and exciting ways to use AI. It's about thinking outside the box and finding cool things to do with AI that no one has thought of before. AI is changing the world in amazing ways, and creative AI thinking lets us explore new ideas and solve tough problems. Imagine an artist using AI to make beautiful digital art that's totally unique, or a musician using AI to make music that's different from anything you've heard before. It's like combining human creativity with AI's power to create something totally new. 5. Making smart business plans with AI. Having a clear plan for how to use AI in business is super important. It's like having a roadmap to success. This skill is all about finding ways to use AI to make your business better and more competitive. For example, a store might use AI to make sure they always have the right amount of products in stock. This makes everything run smoother and helps the business make more money. But you also need to be careful because AI can have some challenges, like privacy issues and making sure your employees know how to use it. 6. Managing AI projects. Managing AI projects means being in charge and making sure things get done right. If a company wants to use AI for something, they need someone to lead the way and make sure it happens. It's like being the captain of a ship and making sure it goes in the right direction. For example, Let's say a big airline wants to use AI to help customers with their questions. The AI project manager has to talk to everyone involved, make sure they know what to do, and keep everything on track. They also have to be ready for problems that might come up, like language issues or problems with the computer systems. 7. Understanding human language with AI natural language processing, NLP, is like teaching computers to understand and talk like humans. It's a bit technical, but having a basic idea of how it works is really helpful. NLP helps make AI better at understanding what we say and write. For example, think about someone who manages social media. They might use AI to figure out how people feel about a new product. Understanding NLP helps them use AI tools to do this better. 8. Staying curious and learning. All the time, being curious means always wanting to learn new things. In the world of AI, staying curious and learning all the time is like having a superpower. It means you're always ready to try new AI tools and see how they can help you. For example, if you work in marketing and find a new AI tool that can make ads better, being curious means you'll want to learn how it works and try it out. This way, you can make your work even better. 9. Knowing when AI has limits. Understanding the limits of AI is like knowing when to use a tool and when not to. It's important because AI can't do everything, and sometimes it can make mistakes. For example, if a company uses AI to help hire new employees, they have to be careful. If they're not, the AI might accidentally treat some people unfairly. Understanding the limits of AI helps us use it in the right way and make sure it doesn't cause problems. We appreciate your continued support. If you've watched the entire video, please comment with the word 100 inches below. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to watch the recommended video on how AI is becoming better at understanding your thoughts. Stay informed and stay ahead in the AI revolution.
Can you learn artificial intelligence? Yes, you can. The question that you should ask yourself though is, how much do you want to learn? And what do you actually want to do with AI? Because you see, there's a lot of different opportunities. You can decide to go full-blown in the math and the computer science behind it and start coding and become an AI researcher, let's say. In that case, you need to invest quite a lot of time because the math behind this stuff is pretty complex. But you can also decide to go to all the other end of the spectrum. Let's make an example, shall we? Let's suppose you work for a marketing company and you want to try to think about how AI can help your company build better marketing products. Well, in that case, you have a great asset. You know marketing. You've been working in marketing already. Do you want to take all this knowledge that you have and throw it in the bin to start becoming an AI researcher? You don't need that. You need to understand the core principles of AI, how it works, how it learns from data, and how to measure if it's working or not, and how to implement it in a product. But you don't need to know the maths and the computer science behind it. You don't even have to learn how to code. You can work with other people. AI is a collaborative effort, okay? You can work with people that know how to code, that know the math behind AI, and you put in your domain knowledge. You can learn artificial intelligence, and there's space for you as well in the AI revolution.